Portion of Local Lifestyles was sponsored by AseraCare Hospice.
AseraCare Hospice offers hope and comfort and compassionate care. Latoya Hardiman and April Goebel are here to tell us more. It's good to see you live in the studio.
Yes,
oh,
good to be here.
Welcome.
Thank you.
These crazy times. Well, Latoya, you and I have known each other a while,
yes.
but though we've Zoomed most of the time. Tell us about the services at AseraCare.
AseraCare just offers hope at the end of life. We don't ever want people to hear the word hospice and be afraid that that's the end of your life. AseraCare is all about quality of life. Death is a beautiful thing when it's done right.
That's right. That's right. April, tell us about the services that you offer to families.
We have a wonderful team, and what's great about hospice is most people have the services available from Medicare, Medicaid, their insurance, and we also have charity cases that we do. But our service, we come with a group of wonderful staff that will come out. We have a spiritual support team. We have a social support team. We have wonderful nurses, home health aides will come out and do baths. We have a medical director that directs all the plan of cares for our patients. And then we have bereavement, and that's one of the best things about hospice. The bereavement team will follow them up to 13 months after their loved one has passed. And I think that's beneficial because you never know when you have those up and downs during the grieving process.
Well, you know, everybody's numb at first, and then things hit you a little at a time. So I think that's a unique and very important service to offer families. How do people know about you and know to contact you? We're several hospice services in the tri-state. So how do they find out about you and contact you?
So we have a Facebook page. It's the AseraCare Evansville Facebook page. There's actually a quiz that a family member could go onto the website and take. It's just about 10 questions. And it lets you know if your family member's gone through any of these things, maybe it's time for hospice. Because our biggest thing is to educate and to get hospice services when needed earlier rather than later. You can also call our care center at 812-858-1032.
One of the things that I learned from the last interview we did is that you go to somebody's not coming to your hospice facility, you're going so people can be home.
We go everywhere, whatever they consider their home. We go to nursing facilities, assisted living facilities, and that's what's great. If you're not able to get into those places every day, you can have our team go in and check on your loved ones, and I think that's really beneficial during this COVID time when a lot of places are closing down, and you have us as support to check on them.
Yeah,
that's so true, and it really is surprising in that you can go into a nursing facility and really facilitate that translation into the next life.
Yes. It's all about giving that loved one and the families a chance to say how they want their last days of life spent.
Now, one of the things that in ministry we talk about is having people have that conversation ahead of time about death and dying and the desires that we have. Most people are just not comfortable with that.
Yeah, so we have a different approach to that. As a hospice liaison, I'm able to have those hard conversations. I bring it to them in a different light. This is what we can do for you. You've worked for this benefit all of your life. Everyone's benefits covered at 100%, and they don't even know that. So this is a benefit that's very underutilized. We want to educate the community. We want to get out there. We want to help people. Even if we're not able to help you, we will find someone that is.
Well, you all are angels in this world. Thank you so much.
Thank you for having us.
Thank you for having us.
When you need those services, AseraCare is who you need to call. We'll be back with more.
This portion of Local Lifestyles was sponsored by AseraCare Hospice.